Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. Doesn't matter if they're blue, green, brown, they flash like fire. Colors of the earth, colors of the earth. Take your flag and stick it where you like, I'm reaching higher. Oh darling, and if you think the planet's grip can hold me back, I am a rocket, there's no way you can stop me if you try. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir, baby, I was made for the stars. Listen to my voice, listen to my voice. Coming at you like a lion's roar. I won't go quietly. Take a picture now, take a picture now. Go on, point the hubble at me, don't lose sight. I'm high society. Oh honey, if you believe in gravity, just watch and learn. I am a rocket, there's no way you could stop me if you tried. I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Better say your au revoir, baby, I was made for the stars. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. I am a rocket, there's no way you can stop me if you tried. I never felt so free like I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir. I was made for the stars, they're shining bright. Look out, I'm dynamite. Say your au revoir, mom, I was made for the stars.
Nakakapagod ang puta.
Yun lang.
Hindi. Hindi nakakapagod. Ganun sanay pa eh.
Tubig.
Tuwan-tuwa eh.
Matindi lang
Ang haba lang lusong dun eh.
Pero dun sa siko, mas mahaba yung balik naman ng paahon. Ano?
Hindi ko narating lugar to eh. Saan lugar to?
Hindi, mas matutuwa ka sa pag binike mo yung edge.
Putang ina, nabubudol na naman ang puta.
Ayun na yung dulo.
Saan?
Saan ito bang ginamit mo? Kasi pag ito,
Saan?
pag sabihin,
Ayun yung tinuro lang ganun. Tawa Sir Balo.
isa ka sige.
Para si
Tapos pala doon sa bundok na yun, oh.
Ah! Pucha! Nabitin!
Pangat yan.
Siguraduhin mo lang may pang-uwi ka.
Babali-uwi pa tayo. Tingnan talaga. Paningin mo. Gumagano lang. Ito sa mga bato doon. Gumagano lang. Tama pa sa bigat. Oo. Hindi kasakit na. Hindi titindig ng kaunti. Tingin doon. Ilang oras na kami dun eh.
Sakto, pauwi na kami.
Ha?
Pauwi na kami.
Pauwi na ba kayo?
Ano? Sarap no?
Sabi ni Sir Bal kanina nung Ding, di ba yung papagano, yung bigla akyat, sabi ni Sir Bal.
Hindi lang yun.
Ano ba?
Sabi niya,
Sarap.
eto na yun.
Tayo pang training. Parang iban lang ha. Baka gusto mag-twinkle. Dali mo sa kabila yan.
Hindi na nga pantay lakad do.
Sa bundok na yan.
Let's go, Dan! Patagin mo, Dan! Patagin mo na, Dan!
Sarap tingnan ng bike ni Sirpan.
Parang walang nangyayari.
Akala ko bilisan ko.
Tara, Dan! Tara na! Ang bagal mo naman! Tara na! Kaulan!
Na kami sa putol.
Cuartera 50 60 80 Let's go!
Okay. Ayos lang, yun ang sigal ah. Kapit tayo na pagkapabalik. Yung hirap kanina, hinaba kanina. Oo. Hirap na? Oo. Kasi buwakan, hindi nakalap na yung
Pino, sagasaan mo! Let's go, Dad! Sarap eh.
Pabalik tayo sa mga galaw.
Lalo na sa Siko, yung trail dun sa Siko.